Tired of your landscape videos looking awkward and unprofessional on TikTok and Instagram Reels? Let's fix that. First, open Capcut and tap New Project to import your horizontal video. Select the video you want to convert and tap Add. Now, look at the bottom toolbar and select the ratio option. Choose the 916 ratio Y. This is the standard vertical format for TikTok and Reels. You'll now see your horizontal video in a vertical frame, likely with black bars. Don't worry. We'll fix that. Tap on your video in the timeline. Use a pinch zoom gesture on the video in the preview window to zoom in and fill the vertical frame. Make sure to position it so the most important part of the video is visible. To fill the black bars and add some visual flair, tap the back arrow and navigate to the effects option at the bottom. Select video effects. Search for blur or browse the trending effects. Select a blurred background effect that complements your video. Adjust the effect settings, like intensity or size, until it looks good. This will fill those empty spaces with a stylish blurred version of your video, keeping the focus on the main action. Finally, tap the export icon in the top right corner to save your newly converted vertical video. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, then tap export. Now you're ready to upload your optimized vertical video to TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform. See you in the next one.